Hi friends, in this video we have studied the problem on the helical gear. In this one problem we have seen in previous lecture we have studied the various formulae on the various derivation in the helical gear and in this video we have studied the problem on the helical gear. This problem will be asked in a 10 marks. Okay. First we write down the first problem will be two helical gear transmit the 30 kilowatt with velocity ratio 4, the normal pressure angle of 20 and helix angle is 30 degree. Normal module is the 12 mm and the standard addendum is equal to the 1 module. The pinion has the 20 teeth and the rotates at the 400 rpm. Determine the center distance and evaluate the forces acting on the tooth with help of the net sketches. Okay, in this video we solve the problem on the two helical gear. Okay, in this video we have given as the two helical gear transmit 30 kilowatt, means power will be 30 kilowatt. 30 kilowatt is nothing but the 30 into 10 raised to 3 watt. Then the velocity ratio is nothing but the gear ratio, that is denoted by the G is equal to the 4. Then the pressure angle is nothing but the phi n is equal to 20 and the helix angle is 30 degree, and helix angle means alpha is equal to 30 degree. Normal module is 12 mm. Normal module means mn is equal to 12 mm and standard addendum is equal to the 1 module. Standard addendum is nothing but standard addendum is equal to the 1 module is nothing but the small a is equal to 1 module is equal to 12 mm. Number of teeth on the pinion, number of teeth on the pinion t small t is equal to 20 and the rotates at the 400 rpm and the speed of the pinion is nothing but the 400 rpm. The forces acting on the tooth with help of the determine the distance, find the center of distance. Center of distance means CD is equal to what? Okay, and then the speed of the n is equal to 400 rpm. Number of teeth on the gear is the nothing but the T is equal to gear ratio is nothing but the G is equal to capital T upon small t. Then what is the capital T? Capital T is equal to G into T. G is nothing but the 4 and the T is equal to 20, that is the 80. Number of teeth on the gear is 80. Okay, then the transfer module is the formula of the transfer module is the mn is equal to mt cos alpha. Mn normal module is equal to the tangential module into cos alpha. Alpha is the helix angle. Okay, then what is the transfer module? mt is equal to mn upon cos alpha. mn ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिलेली तुम्हाला 12, cos alpha ची व्हॅल्यू किती, alpha ची व्हॅल्यू 30. After calculation we have get the 13.85 mm. That is the tangential model we have seen, that is a 13.85. Okay, then the next will be the pitch circle radius of the pinion. This pitch circle radius of the pinion is the r is equal to mt upon 2. That is the tangential model into number of teeth on the pinion upon 2 is equal to 13.85 into 20 divided by 2. After calculation we have get the 138.56 mm. That is the pitch circle radius of the pinion, that is a small r will be, after calculation we have get the 138.56 mm. The next will be the pitch circle radius of the gear. Then the next will be the pitch circle radius of the gear, that is a capital R is equal to m capital T upon 2. That is a 13.85 into capital RT is equal to 80 divided by 2. That is equal to the 552.8 mm. 552.8 mm. That is capital R is equal to mn, that is a tangential module upon T capital T upon 2. That is a 13.85 into 80 and divided by 2, that is 552.8 mm. 552.8 mm. Okay, then what is the center distance between the two gears? Let's use center distance of the between two gears, that is center distance is equal to capital small r plus capital R, means P circle radius of the pinion and the P circle radius of the gear, that is a small r will be small r. What is the small r is 138.56 and the capital R is equal to 552.8. Then center distance will be the 691.36 mm. That is, we have find out the first center distance between the two gears. Okay, like a small r plus capital R. Okay, then the next will be the power transmitted. The power transmitted is a P is equal to 2 pi nt upon 60. Then the power will be given. Then what is the torque? Torque will be after calculation we have get the torque. Then power ची value किती दिलेली तुम्हाला 30 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to 2 pi. Again means speed दिलेला आहे तुमचा 400 rpm divided by 60 into t. Then the capital T is equal to, after calculation we have get the 116.919 Newton meter is equal to 716.19 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. Newton mm मध्ये दिला असेल तर फक्त काय करायचं इंटू 10 raised to 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि इथं mm लिहायचं. ओके, देन द टेंजेन्शियल force is the capital T upon small r. Capital T upon small r. Capital T means is the torque transmitted through the gear. Okay, then the torque ची value किती आली तुमचं 716.19 into 10 raised to 3 divided by small r ची value किती तुमची 138.56. then the tangential force will be given. After calculation we have get the 5.16 kilonewton. 5.16 kilonewton. Then the axial force is the Fa is equal to Ft tan alpha. Ft tan alpha is equal to Ft ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिली आहे 5.16 kilonewton. त्याचेच न्यूटन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करा. 5168 इंटू मीन्स हे किलोन्यूटन मध्ये काय येणार 5168.8 न्यूटन. ओके, इंटू 10 5 ची व्हॅल्यू किती दिली 30 5 tan 30 is equal to, after calculation we have get the axial force. Axial force is the Fa is equal to 2.98 kilonewton. Axial force is equal to 2.98 kilonewton. Then the radial force, what is the formula for the radial force? Radial force is the Fr is equal to Ft tan phi n upon cos alpha is equal to Ft tangential ची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली आहे 5168.80 tan 20 नॉर्मल प्रेशर अँगल दिलेला आहे 20 cos 30. ओके, आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेशन वी हॅव गेट द radial force is the 2.16 kilonewton. Then the resultant normal force, first काढलं तुम्ही axial force, नंतर normal force and then the resultant force. चा फॉर्म्युला काय F is equal to Fr upon sin phi n. Fr ची व्हॅल्यू किती 2.17 kilonewton. त्याचं न्यूटनमध्ये कन्वर्ट करा 232 divided by sin 5. प्रेशर अँगल किती तुमचा 20 sin 20. आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेशन वी हॅव गेट द 6,351.45. that is we have get the 6.35 kilonewton. then the resultant force will be given as the 6.35 kilonewton. Okay, this formula is based on the helical gear and same as the formula it's asked in 10 marks in same exam or the final exam. Okay, thank you.